I hear everything normal except right here. At the just above the 8th rib in her mid-axillary line, I hear a decreased breath sound compared to the other side. So what's going on with her right now?
You don't
I
know.
don't know. A lot of things it could be, right? A lot of things it could be. So I start there. So then I do a voice sound. And I certainly don't get the E to A change, and that's not abnormal. I don't know what's going on. So then I come along and I do this. And you hear a hollow sound, tympanic sound. I put my hands on her. I ask her to take breaths in. The right side moves, the left, excuse me, the right side doesn't move, the left side does. You see the pattern? What gives you a tympanic sound and also a decreased breath sound? Hypoventilation due to air trapping.
So pneumothorax?
No, not a pneumothorax. Emphysema. She's trapping air in her right lower lobe lateral segment. So there's no new air going in. So when I put my stethoscope there, that's why I don't hear anything. But when I do immediate percussion, it's hollow. It should be dense resonant. That's how I think you should study. So write down a pathological condition, go through all the steps within your exam and what you would expect. I'll tell you this, the examination that kind of tells you the least amount of information is what? What do you think?
Breathing sounds?
No. Breath sounds, they tell you a lot.
Really?
Yeah.
The 99 voice sound.
Lobar motion. Because if it's reduced, well, it could be reduced because you have hyperinflated lungs, so no new air is getting there. But it could also be reduced because you have an infiltrate there. So just because you have decreased lobar motion, that in and of itself doesn't tell you a whole heck of a lot. But if you add it to the other stuff, it just kind of helps us with your suspicion. Okay? All right, now, I'm going to roll you back. So now